everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you where to download games on your Samsung TV. So you do have the game section right here, but this tries to force you into like getting one of these Xbox or Luna kind of streaming apps. And we're just looking for ones that we can download on our TV just to play. So you can see there's some like Pac-Man or something like that. I don't think that's going to work on here. So if we go all the way back to the left, go back to home. And we want to go over to, I think it's the live section. We might be able to find some games under here. Or if we go to just the app section, there might be some that pop up. So I think this is mostly just TV shows. So let's go up the top, go to apps, and scroll on down under here. But we can go on down, and there will be a game section for the genre. And we can go to games. And under here we can actually download things to our TV. And we can actually play them. And we don't need a subscription, I believe. So just basic games like, Pac-Man, Maze 2 or whatever. Red Baron. Farming Tycoon. I think I saw Solitaire on here too, or Dice. So very basic games that you can probably still enjoy with the controller. So just check this out. Let's go to one of these games. 007 Squirrel. Let's check this out. Go to this and install it. So it looks like it's 7 gigabytes or 1 gigabyte. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.